Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 14th of May 2022 and our today's video topic is string constant pull in Java. String is a class in Java which is used to store the sequence of characters in it. So strings are basically used everywhere in a project where we want to store any sequence of character like any name, any link, any user IDs, passwords. All of this can be stored in the strings. So mainly for the security purpose, for serialization, for synchronization also, strings are used in our project because strings do provide us a data which cannot be changed directly. Strings are basically immutable. Means we cannot change the object of a string directly. Once object is created in a string, it cannot be changed at all. So for that reason, a string has given a special priority in Java. So basically there are two ways of creating a string. The first is using by a literal, which is just by using a variable and passing or storing a value in it, and second is by using a new keyword. The first is created when we write in our program as string s1 equals to abcd in double quote. It means that s1 is a variable or a literal which is an address of a abcd string. In the same way, when we create a string s2 equal to new string with a double quote abcd, that s2 means it is also a reference variable or an literal which refers to the address of a string which is abcd. So basically there are two ways of creating this string, creating any string. As we know that all objects in a JVM are stored in a heap memory, whereas reference variables are stored in a stack. String, as we know that strings are immutable, so once its object created, it cannot be changed. So in heap memory there is a string constant pull area is given by the JVM. Why it is given? Because every string you create in Java, it is first will get, or its object will create it in the string constant pull. When you create a string with a literal, their object is created or stored in a string constant pull, whereas when you create a string with a new keyword, its object will created in both the string constant pool as well as in the heap or outside the string constant pool. Why it is happened? Because string constant pool do not allow to create two objects with two same objects. If your string is simply abcd and you are again creating the same string with the object abcd, in string constant pool two objects will not create it. Only one object is there, and your two addresses or two variables will point to that object. So this is why we our memory saving purpose is achieved, because in real-time objects, a lot of times you require to have a same objects, and that same objects it is not recommended to create number of objects repeated again and again. So string constant pull will help us to save the memory in that case, because when you create a string, only one object is created in string constant pull, and whenever you refer to that object, you want to use that object, you directly just use that object with another reference or another variable. Same when we create a string with new keyword. New keyword means new object is created for every string, and that object will be in the heap memory also. So we can do change in the another object by creating its copy. But still, whenever a string is you want to change a string, the next object or new object will be created in the string constant pool. So this is the main difference between the string constant pool or string created using literal and created using new keyword. String constant pool are very much important for doing number of operations or bigger projects and using a number of strings there. So this is about the string constant pool in Java. Thank you.